Hi guys! Today we're crafting another beautiful flower design made with ribbon. So we will be using satin ribbon in 2.5 cm wide and 4 cm long. This is our first petal. We'll need a total of 12 pieces. Now grab your needle and thread. Let's start stitching this together. For the centerpiece, I'm using this rhinestone, but you can use whatever you like or have on hand. It's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun.